Hi, so I'm going to teach you how to move files between your Windows 10 machine and your Windows subsystem for Linux. The first thing you want to do is already in your Windows subsystem for Linux, call your file explorer. So Kaja, mine is Kaja, okay? And this will allow you to see your folders. In this case, I'm looking at I'm at the desktop. Here you can see I have a file. If you don't know what your file explorer is for Linux, there's a good chance that it's Kaja, because you probably did a default installation and that installs Ubuntu that comes with Kaja and Tunar. So try Kaja. If you don't have it installed, it won't harm your computer. So for example, I'm gonna try it with a file explorer that is not installed on my computer. You lose. So you can see that it's not installed, but I can install it with this command. So try with Kaja. If it's not installed, it will give you the option to install it. And you can do that and follow this tutorial exactly as is. If not, at the end, I'm also going to teach you how to do it from the terminal. So we're going to go Kaja. And here we see in the desktop, we have this file, and I could create a new folder. Let's create one really quick. Hello. And you can see that no folder was created in my desktop because this right here is my Linux desktop. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back one folder until we get to our root folder in Linux. This is the Linux folder that holds all other Linux folders. So we are at the user Carlos, back again we are at home, back again we are in the root folder. Okay, so we're gonna scroll a little bit down until we find this folder M and T. Okay, and we double click it to enter, and here we are. This folder, it's almost the same as if you are looking at the this PC folder in Windows. So if we come here to this PC here really quick, you can see that I have the C mount here, the C drive and the E drive, which is a USB, and you can see them too here, C and E. Okay, so to go to from this point, you can think of this window right here as in Linux looking at your Windows folders. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Windows desktop. We're going to go into the C drive, users, my user, which is Carlos. Okay, and then we're going to go into desktop, and here we are. Okay, we can see here that I have, if I go here into desktop, we can see that I have a folder called new folder. It's this folder down here. We have a file and I have a script file that was in the other monitor, but it's here. Okay, so if I want to copy them between systems, I can just do again in here in the Kaja file explorer. I can just do copy. Okay, or Control C will also work. Then I can return here to the Linux desktop, and if I do paste, it pasted it, right? Nothing special. And the opposite will also work. Okay, so I'm here into my Linux desktop again, and I'm gonna Control V, paste the file, and you can see that I pasted this Linux file here. Okay, it's a text file. I can open it, I can rename it .txt, and I can open it in Windows now. Okay, I can also open these files that are in Windows with Linux programs. That's one of the things that makes it really useful. So this is a file editor equivalent to Notepad, but in Linux. Okay. Now, one thing that you might notice is that I'm switching between the Windows and then Linux really fast. And the way I did that is I created a bookmark. So here in Kaja, once I did that process to get to the Windows desktop, I just do bookmarks, add a bookmark, and I already have it added, so it didn't do nothing. But if I go, for example, into this new folder, bookmark, add bookmark, you can see here at the bottom, it added a bookmark to the new folder. And now I can switch. So this here is my Windows desktop, and this here is my Linux desktop. Just some nice quality of life. Okay, so again, if you don't have that file explorer, or maybe you're working with the Windows subsystem for Linux 1 that doesn't work with graphical user interfaces, you can do the exact same thing from the terminal. You just have to go into that mount folder. So you'd go use the change directory command, cd space /, this is to get to your root folder, and from here you just go to mount. See, you just have to type it all, you know, users, it's the Carlos, desktop, and here I am in this folder, and I'm looking right now through the terminal in my Linux machine, right? I'm looking at my Windows files. So you can see here my new folder, the script, the file.txt, and the Linux file.txt that we copied into here. You can even see a file that's hidden normally in the desktop. You can see it in Linux. So there you have it. Good luck into your all your endeavors, and I hope that this video was useful.